What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another brand new unboxing. So this is the TMX Pro from Thrustmaster. This is my new steering wheel and pedals. I have the shifter and everything, the handbrake coming soon. So soon I'll have an unboxing on that as well. And sorry for my squeaky chair. So let me go ahead and set the GoPro up and show y'all what's inside this box. But first thing that's on top of it is the pedals. The pedals that you get, and you have the steering wheel, and then this is just pretty much showing off the shifter, which I am going to order soon. Let me go ahead and try to unbox this one-handed. Let's go ahead and unbox this now. It has force feedback and whatnot, so that means that the it feels like a regular car where you steer and then it will want to straighten back up. So take this out. I'm trying to take everything out the box. What I might do, buy some different pedals and swap these out and whatnot. It looks like I can swap these around, and I think I might actually do that. So it comes with the hardware to mount the steering wheel. Also come with an Allen key and a screw. Why is it one screw? I gotta figure out what that screw does, but here you can switch around the pedals. Okay, so pretty much I have the the pedals where I pretty much want them. That looks good to me. Then I could do something like that. And then the steering wheel is pretty much going to be mounted up here. I'm not going to drill into my desk, but one giant screw, one giant hole through my desk. I don't know. I'm not really about that life, but it comes with a clamp. I'm just going to use the clamp to clamp it to my desk. The steering wheel is a little bit small. For me at least, it's not really like a good representation. I mean, like, it's not, compared to my car steering wheel, it's not, it's small. Just line this up with my monitors. Because I will be moving the setup very often, I'm just gonna do it like this. I'm not even going to bother worried about the cable management or anything like that. Put my mouse back up. Just gonna drop the cable down on the right side. Plastic right here. I don't really like that. It's whatever. I can probably, most likely, what I'm gonna do is find some way I can take the steering wheel off and put like a real steering wheel. So this is the startup. It's gonna go all the way left and it's gonna go all the way right. Okay, now I believe I have to download the drivers. Oh shit, hold on. Where am I going?
Perfect.